Hey there, Rebecca with Elemental Wellness, and today we're talking all things natural deodorant. After testing a huge amount of different deodorants, I learned something super surprising. Most people quit natural deodorant not because it doesn't work, but because no one explains how it actually works. In fact, about 73% of people give up within the first 2 weeks and go right back to aluminum antiperspirant, even though they switched for health reasons in the first place. If this has been you, this video is made especially for you. If you're new here, I'm Rebecca. I have a master's degree in Ayurveda and integrative medicine and a bachelor's in alternative medicine, and I've spent years studying the skin microbiome and how everyday products affect it. I'm not here to scare you, shame you, or tell you you're doing anything wrong. I just want to help you understand what's actually happening under your arms and how to choose a natural deodorant that truly works for your body. So, why do most people think natural deodorant doesn't work? Here's the biggest misconception: sweat is not the actual problem. Sweat itself is odorless. Smell happens when bacteria break sweat down. Aluminum antiperspirants don't stop odor, they block sweat ducts entirely. When you stop using them, your body has to relearn how to sweat normally again, and your skin microbiome has to rebalance. That adjustment period is where most people always give up. The skin microbiome is the missing piece. Your underarms have their own microbiome, beneficial bacteria that actually prevent odor when they're in balance. Conventional antiperspirants kill both good and bad bacteria, which creates dependency. Natural deodorants work way differently. They support your skin's natural ecosystem instead of shutting it down. And so, like aluminum, right? We've all heard of it. There's still a debate around aluminum and long-term health effects, but here's what we actually know. Aluminum-based antiperspirants block sweat ducts, disrupt the skin microbiome, alter your body's natural detox pathways. Natural deodorant doesn't stop sweating. It supports the odor control without blocking your body's natural processes. And so I'm sure many of you have gone through different brands of deodorant and tried to test out all sorts of different ones. And so I tested out a bunch of them throughout my lifetime. And I didn't test them out just sitting at home being like, yeah, that one smells nice. I tested deodorants during hot yoga, Colorado hiking, long work days, stressful meetings, post-workout sweat. I also tested for sensitive skin reactions, clothing stains, ease of application, ingredient safety. So these results are real world tested, not just marketing claims. So, what are the top deodorants, right? After everything, my top overall pick is our very own Pit Paste. It works because it supports the skin microbiome instead of fighting it. And I know you're going to be like, well, you make it, so of course that's your top choice. I tested out other brands, and I'm going to tell you about the other brands, pros and cons, so that you can make your own choice on what deodorant works best for you. The key ingredients in our deodorant is coconut oil for antimicrobial support, arrowroot powder for moisture absorption, magnesium, zinc, and probiotics for odor control, something you're not going to see in a lot of other deodorants. It consistently gives me 12 plus hours of protection across my skin type, my other people that helped me test its skin type. This is also the deodorant I personally use and make in small batches here in Colorado because I couldn't find something that did it as well. And I'm telling you, the probiotics are the missing ingredient for many deodorants. If you've reacted to baking soda before, it's not you. About 30% of people are sensitive to it. For sensitive skin, look for magnesium hydroxide, avoid strong essential oils, start slow, right? Our Pit Paste has a very small amount of baking soda in it. So if you're very, very, very sensitive, it might not be for you. If you're active or sweat heavily, you're not too sweaty for natural deodorant. You just need the right formula. Some of the best options available are our Pit Paste. You can use Loom, full body deodorant. You can use native because it's mainstream available in Walmart and Target and stuff. But here's the deal, no matter which one you pick, there's going to be a transition period. And this is the part nobody freaking talks about. Week 1 and 2, when you switch to a natural deodorant, means more sweating, temporary odor, your skin's adjusting. This is normal, not a failure. Some tips is to make sure you're applying the deodorant to clean, dry skin. Reapply it if needed. Wear breathable fabrics like cotton. Stay hydrated. By week 3, most people stabilize and no longer have the odor of the aluminum detoxing out of their body. And so it's like, what if I'm at the store and I don't have time to order online? What do I look for in a natural deodorant? You want to see magnesium hydroxide for gentle odor control, arrowroot powder or some kind of powder like arrowroot for moisture absorption, coconut oil is antimicrobial, zinc oxide also helps neutralize odor, and then be leery of stuff that has synthetic fragrance or alcohol in it because they may be too strong for this sensitive area of our body, right? And some of the common mistakes to avoid when switching is using too much of the product, choosing a formula that's not suited for you, and expecting instant results. Natural deodorant is a relationship. Natural deodorant is a relationship, not a cover-up. If you want a natural deodorant that actually works, choose one that supports your skin and your microbiome and doesn't fight your skin. I've linked the full buyer's guide below with all my test results, ingredient breakdowns, and recommendations. And if you're ready to try our pit paste, feel free to click the link in the description because your body deserves time to adjust and you deserve to smell good. If this helped you, make a decision on if natural deodorant is right for you. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more natural wellness education, and let me know in the comments what's been your biggest struggle with natural deodorant.